Hello learners, you are all welcome to science class, grade 6. We are in our 4th week. Today's strand we have diversity of matter, substrand materials. Last week we looked at the general properties of metals. In this week we are going to look at nonmetals. So before we proceed, what are metals? Let's just do a recap of what we did last week. What are metals? What are the properties of metals? How would you know that this is a metal? So we established that metals have shiny surfaces when they are new. Metals have the property of ductility. Metals have the property of malleability. So you should know what malleability is, what ductility is. And these two words sometimes confuses learners a lot. So you have to know that ductility is the ability of the metal to withstand tensile stress. What are nonmetals? We say any material that is not a metal is a nonmetal. Nonmetals are materials that have dull surfaces and can easily break. Some examples of objects that are made from nonmetals are plastic cups, glass cups, wooden materials, books, pencils, football, etc. Properties of nonmetals. So we're going to look at some properties of nonmetals. Firstly, nonmetals do not allow heat and electricity to pass through them. Materials that do not allow heat and electricity to pass through them are known as insulators. Please underline the word insulators or bad conductors. Secondly, nonmetals have dull surfaces, so they don't shine like metals. Thirdly, solid nonmetals such as plastics break easily when a little force is applied on them. Fourthly, nonmetals make low pitch sounds when hit with other objects. Nonmetals do not rust. So point 4 says that nonmetals make low pitch sounds. So they are not like metals that when they hit the ground they make a lot of noise. For example, you put a wood on the floor. Does it make any noise? No. It just hits there, puff, and that is it. But metals make a lot of noise when you leave them on the ground. So at this point, we want to find the difference between metals and nonmetals. The differences between metals and nonmetals. 1. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, while nonmetals are bad conductors of heat and electricity. 2. Metals are ductile. Nonmetals are not ductile. Metals are malleable. Nonmetals are not malleable. Metals have shiny surface when they are new. Nonmetals have dull surfaces. Very easy to understand. Making simple machines from metals. We can make simple machines, tools and toys from metals. This is possible because metals are strong, hard and easy to shape. Some simple tools we use in our homes and schools, such as cutlasses, hoes, scissors, knives, spoons, and wheelbarrows are all made from metals. So our next subtopic, use of metals in our everyday life. Keywords: gold, copper, iron, zinc, aluminum, silver. If you look at the keywords, they are all examples of metal. Gold is an example of metal. Copper is an example of metal. Iron, zinc, aluminium, and silver. So we proceed to see how we use these metals in our daily lives, the things we use them for. So we have gold. Gold. What is gold? Gold is a precious metal. This is because it is very expensive, shiny, and it does not rust. This is why gold is mostly used in making ornaments and jewelries such as wristwatches, necklaces, and earrings. Not forgetting rings as well. Second point, we have copper. Copper metal is ductile. This means that copper can be stretched into thin, long wires without breaking. Copper is also a good conductor of electricity. That is why it is used to make electrical cables. The third point is iron. Iron is a hard and strong metal. It is mainly used to construct bridges and railway lines because of its hard and strong properties. Iron is also used to make tools such as nails, agricultural tools, bolts, and nuts. So we will end here and we'll continue with the rest of the metals, God willing, on Wednesday. Please do the assignment or the activity on the next slide. Until then, see you again. Bye bye.